Welcome to this deep dive tech lesson on load balancing. We'll explore how this critical concept helps the internet stay fast and available by distributing traffic, ensuring availability, and scaling with demand. By the end of this video, you will understand what load balancing is, know the 5 key algorithms, compare hardware, software, and cloud load balancers, and distinguish between Layer 4 and Layer 7 load balancing. Finally, we'll apply these concepts to real-world scenarios. Load balancing is the process of distributing network traffic across multiple servers to prevent any single server from becoming overwhelmed. Think of it as a traffic officer, directing cars smoothly. This practice offers key benefits like preventing overloads, optimizing resource usage, reducing response time, ensuring high availability, and providing fault tolerance. Load balancers sit invisibly between clients and servers. They receive incoming client requests and use various algorithms to route traffic to the most appropriate backend server, effectively distributing the load. Let's look at the first 3 load balancing algorithms. Round robin distributes requests sequentially in order. Least connections routes to the server with the fewest active connections. IP hash uses the client's IP address to ensure consistency by always mapping to the same server. The remaining algorithms include weighted round robin, where servers receive requests based on their capacity, and least response time, which directs traffic to the server currently providing the quickest response. You can remember all 5 algorithms with the mnemonic, really lean iguanas with lightning. Load balancers come in 3 main types: hardware, software, and cloud-based. Hardware offers high performance and security, but is expensive and hard to scale. Software is cost-effective and flexible, but has lower throughput and requires maintenance. Cloud solutions are highly scalable and maintenance-free, but include vendor lock-in and less customization. Layer 4 load balancing relies on IP address and port, offering faster speed and basic routing. Layer 7 operates at the application layer, using URL, headers, and cookies. This enables smart, content-aware routing and includes SSL termination capabilities. Health checks ensure traffic is only routed to functional servers, with options like TCP, HTTP, and application checks. Session persistence, or sticky sessions, ensures a user consistently returns to the same server for tasks like managing a shopping cart. This can be achieved through source IP affinity, cookie-based routing, or app-controlled management. In e-commerce, Layer 7 routes separate traffic types, like catalog browsing, payments, and product images, to specialized servers. In video streaming, load balancing uses geo-based routing to direct users to the nearest data center and sends video streams to specialized servers, all while using health checks. A common example of software load balancing is using NGINX. A simple configuration for a round-robin load balancer requires defining an upstream group of backend servers, then using a proxy path to direct client traffic to that group. NGINX automatically defaults to round-robin with multiple servers. Load balancing provides major advantages, including high availability and eliminating downtime. It offers scalability for adding or removing servers easily. It ensures efficiency by optimizing resource utilization. It provides security by acting as a buffer and offers flexibility for maintenance without disrupting service. Let's quickly test your knowledge. Which algorithm routes to the server with the fewest active connections? The answer is least connections. Which layer do content-based routing decisions happen at? Layer 7. Finally, what does session persistence ensure? The same server for the same user. To summarize, load balancing distributes traffic to prevent overload and is fundamental to high-traffic systems everywhere. We covered the 5 key algorithms, the 3 types of load balancers, hardware, software, and cloud, and the difference between port-based Layer 4 and content-aware Layer 7 routing. Remember that health checks and sticky sessions are vital for reliability and user experience. Thank you for joining this deep dive lesson on load balancing. Keep exploring topics in system design, distributed systems, and cloud architecture at the links provided.